Nature in our economy, in our finances, we have to understand that nature will provide for us. We always need to understand where the equilibrium lies. What is balanced will always thrive. When you think about those goods, those materials given by our nature on earth, and having some people working on those materials, creating sophisticated goods and services, we need to understand that there is a first value of these materials, and there is also a second added value on the work that we do to sophisticate and to refine those first materials. But this is all the economy. The only thing that you can add in the economical subject is interest. At the base of the economy and finances, we have the interest. When you are interested, you work. You can then understand that the Wall Street world isn't economy. Using money to buy more money without getting interested in other people's work is pure madness. When you have a business and you want to raise money in order to evolve your business, you can try to raise money with shareholders, people that can buy shares and invest in your company. This can be interesting, but people doing such in a evolving company are truly interested in what you are doing. When you have a big, very big and rich company selling shares in order to show a kind image, because if a very rich company does such, it is only because this company wants to be kind. Those shareholders will want dividends without getting interested on how those people are working in this company, how the work field is happening. You have to be responsible, because otherwise pressure will appear in this earth, on this earth, and too much pressure will take off from health, and a virus can also come up and everyone will be sick. We have to live our love. Going too fast is very dangerous because people are not able to live their love life anymore. In Atlantis, we are responsible and we love economy. We want to follow our finances by our creativity. Technology is very fusional. It is in fusion with ourselves. And water is the source of creativity. Creation is at the base of economy, after, of course, interest. Use hope in order to understand that hope is economy. And this creativity will bring you understanding and sense. We need to have sense. If you don't think about your soul, the light of your soul, as being eternal, you will lack hope and you will start to act strangely in our world. But at the end of the day, what is wrong as an idea is always seen in reality. Who is right will thrive. Who is wrong will suffer. This harsh reality tells us that nature is something that we have to respect. Never exaggerate. Human beings are nature, and our responsibility in front of our intelligence is what is nature as an amazing miracle of consciousness.